Looking for a PC case that balances sleek style with serious cooling power? The Corsair iCUE case delivers exactly that. Featuring a robust steel chassis paired with 4mm thick tempered glass on the front and side, it puts your components and RGB fans on full display while ensuring solid durability and airflow through well-placed ventilation gaps. What sets this case apart is its impressive cooling capacity. You can install up to 6 120mm fans or multiple radiators as large as 360mm. That kind of flexibility means you can tailor your cooling setup for maximum performance, whether you're running a high-end CPU or a powerful GPU that demands extra airflow. Storage options won't hold you back either. The drive trays support two 3.5-inch HDDs and two 2.5-inch SSDs, with space for two additional 2.5-inch drives. This setup keeps your storage organized and accessible without cluttering your build or blocking airflow. Included with the case are three Corsair LL120 RGB cooling fans, each spinning up to 1,500 RPM. These fans feature 16 RGB LEDs per fan and 7 preset lighting profiles controlled via Corsair's iCUE software, giving you vivid, customizable lighting effects that sync seamlessly with your entire system. The iCUE lighting node core is built right in, letting you manage and synchronize your RGB setup right out of the box. Whether you want subtle ambient glow or dynamic lighting patterns, the software makes it easy to personalize your rig without extra hardware or hassle. Users in the United States praise this case for combining eye-catching aesthetics with practical airflow. It keeps demanding components like the Intel i9 11th General CPU and NVIDIA RTX 3090 GPU cool under load. While fitting a 360mm radiator in the front is possible, it's a snug fit if you want push-pull fan configurations. The top supports a 240mm radiator, though clearance can be tight, especially if your RAM has tall heat spreaders or RGB lighting. If you want a PC case that doesn't just look great but also supports serious cooling and storage needs, this Corsair iCUE model is worth a look. It's designed to handle high-performance components while letting you showcase your build with vibrant, synchronized lighting. Ready to upgrade your setup? The Corsair iCUE PC case offers a perfect blend of style, durability, and cooling flexibility. Try it when you're ready to take your gaming or workstation build to the next level.